This kneeling crunch is one of my favorite ways to really get the ab muscles fired up. And it's great because you can really progress the resistance on this, which is kind of harder to do with a lot of other core exercises. The key to this one is to keep your hips in the same spot. We're not sitting back into it with our hips. So our femurs, or our upper legs, should ideally be pointing straight up the entire time. And we're just gonna bend down and round the spine as much as we can and drive our elbows kind of towards our knees, not straight down towards the ground.